Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about new car replacement insurance. We'll take a look at what new car replacement coverage is and whether or not it's worth getting. New car replacement insurance is an optional type of coverage that pays to replace a totaled car with a brand new vehicle of a similar make and model. Without new car replacement, drivers are only eligible to be reimbursed for their totaled car's actual cash value, or how much it was worth right before the accident. New car replacement is only offered by certain insurers, and usually there are some pretty strict vehicle requirements. For example, some companies require that the vehicle be less than 1 year old with fewer than 15,000 miles on it. Also, new car replacement is often purchased with gap insurance. So if there is a difference between your totaled car's value and your loan or lease, that gap is covered and you aren't left owing money on a car you can't use. How can you know if new car replacement is worth it for you? Well, if you own a new car or are considering purchasing one soon, new car replacement is probably worth it. Brand new cars begin depreciating in value the second you drive off the lot. And if your car is totaled in the first few years, the money you'll get for it likely won't be enough to buy a replacement. Ultimately, unless you could afford to purchase a replacement vehicle partially out of pocket, the low price of new car replacement coverage is usually worth it. To learn more and to find the best new car replacement insurance for you, just click the button here.